Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the base grid because a consistent net depends on spacing. Draw a light 1 cm grid or place aligned dots. This gives you reference points. Once done, load your Mehndi cone with a medium fine tip and test lines on paper until pressure feels even. Apply steady, even strokes on one row first, connecting grid points. Make sure to wipe the tip occasionally to avoid blobs. This establishes control before you proceed to the pattern details. You now create the signature net by drawing diagonal lines across the grid, alternating direction row by row so diamonds form. Once the diamonds appear, reinforce each intersection with a tiny dot or a small floral join to add stability and visual interest. Make sure to vary line weight intentionally. Light pressure for delicate mesh, firmer pressure for outer borders of the net. Move steadily. Quick jerks create uneven lines. If you need to pause, lift the cone cleanly and restart at the next guide point. You finish by filling chosen diamond cells with small motifs, tiny flowers, dots, or paisleys to create rhythm and focus. Once complete, inspect the net. Clean any stray smudges with a toothpick and blot excess paste gently with tissue so you don't smear surrounding lines. Let the paste dry fully, then apply a sugar lemon sealant to enhance stain depth. If lines blur, don't panic. Let it dry, remove softened paste, and retrace cleaned edges precisely with a fresh cone to repair the net.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.